Alright, now, about this product. I'm talking Cracklins, Nacho, Plant Crisp. These are kind of like pork rinds. I don't know what pork rinds taste like too much. Do you eat pork rinds?
I've had them.
I mean, I think this is trying to rip off the texture of a pork rind, but, right?
Yeah, they look like pork rinds. They feel like pork rinds.
They do.
But I'm ready to get crackling. What about you?
Yeah, let's get our crack on. What do you think?
I think they're snackalicious and probably not nutritious.
They do kind of remind me of pork rinds, even though I don't remember what pork rinds taste like.
This is kind of what they taste like.
Yeah.
Basically just salt and grease.
Yeah.
Got a little bit of spice to them, a little bit of heat in that bag.
Yep.
And something this snacktacular is usually filled with tons of air. So if you were to compress that whole bag into a sack of dust, there would be about a golf ball size of dust in that bag.
It's like nacho air.
They're air nachos.
If a cloud was nacho flavored,
Yeah.
could you get colon cancer and be vegan? I think this could give you colon cancer.
It could. I want you to read what it says on the bag. Eat the whole bag. Not a good idea.
It's like a slogan that's also terrible life goals. We should probably read the ingredients because you'd be pretty surprised. The first thing it has in it is yucca, then mushroom. I actually do taste the mushroom a little bit.
Too. Yep.
Yeah. Sunflower oil. There you go. That'll give you some heart disease. Nacho. It's weird that it lists nacho as an ingredient. I think that's controversial. I don't think nacho is a thing. I don't see nacho being on the periodic tables.
It's a concept.
Yeah, it's a lifestyle. It really tastes like it should have some sketchy shit in there. I'll say this. It's not very good, but you do kind of want to eat more of them.
That's completely true. It has that addictive quality to it.
Much like any hard drug. What do you think, Lilu? I just put 3 in my hand.
Not even thinking about it.
Okay, yeah.
We have a problem here.
Yep. This could definitely put you in Nachos Anonymous.
NA. Been there myself.
Yep.
Not a good place to be.
But all in all, give it a go. It's a wild ride.
Yep. I'm gonna wrap this snack up.
Yeah, not everything is supposed to be good for you or enjoyable. What's up, Lilu? Peace.
Peace.